Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 200 amp 48 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully refurbished and is in great working condition. Total weight is 290 pounds. Overall dimensions 26 inches length, 24 inches width, 30 inches high. Show you the back really quick. This is a 3-phase wired for 480, 200 amp. We'll get that going for you really quick. Bring you guys over to the scope. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.